Okay, good morning guys. So, I got up early, went to the gym, did my hour-and-a-half workout, got home, I cleaned, I shaved, put my cleanest wife beater shirt on I possibly could for you guys. Just to wish all you Canadians out there a happy Canada Day. Anyway. So, anyone out there, it is Canada Day. What are we doing here at Old Time Garage? We're working. We're working, and then we'll go have some fun afterwards. Maybe, maybe not. I think I'll just stay home actually and work on my cars. So, July 4th will be coming up for any American folks. We'll give you a big shout out when that day happens. But any fellow Canadians, anyone in the neighborhood that's Canadian, well, don't come in the yard because I'm busy working, but you can pull up in front of the shop and do a smoke show if you want. The road's getting pretty black out there. I'm sure if you look on the Instagram page, you'll see what's happening. Anyway, so what do we got going on here today? We're going to give you a little bit of a catch-up. Before we give you a catch-up, I just want to give a couple... there's a thing on Instagram I'm following. It's called the Crybaby Vintage Car Show. You guys got to check this out. Oh my God. You know, I kind of got out of the car shows there for a while. The local car shows here, I really don't do. I'm not into going to a car show on a Saturday or Sunday and just sitting there all fucking day long. But when it's something that's a weekend thing or it's an adventure, you're making a trip out of it and you're going somewhere, that I'm into. You just got to check these guys on Instagram. It's unbelievable the cars that are down there. And I kind of lost track of that shit. You know, I got involved in a bunch of other stuff in life I wanted to do, which I still want to do. But at the end of the day, my roots are dedicated to cars. And these people at the car shows, the things they do, the people you meet, they're good people. They're good people. Everything out there has good people in it. It doesn't matter. You know, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter where you go. Some people will be like, well, you go to car shows, there's good people, there's bad people. It don't matter what you do, where you live. There's always fucking good or bad. So just deal with it. But check these guys out. There's some car shows coming up. Puyallup is soon in Washington. We got Rustorama in Portland. A few weeks away. I'm debating Black Betty. She needs to get back out there again. So my tires didn't show up this weekend. Of course, now they're there. Now the tires are there. Of course they are. C10s is all about trucks. It's called C10s, and it's Capital, I think it's Olympia, Washington. And I believe it's August 10th. Check that one out. C10s, Olympia, Washington. It's all pickup trucks. It's really cool. I've never been to it. Unfortunately, I have other plans on that weekend there, so I won't be able to make it to that. Maybe next year, we'll see. But anyway, let's give you an update what's going on in the shop here. Just wanted to give a few shouts out, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, let's check it out. So we got a tailgate here for the 81 Ford all painted up. Just in the office waiting to get a little work done. What do we got going on? Let's check it out here. Okay, so the Pontiac. You can see I'm cutting all the braces off here. The customer wants all these gone. I got to notch the frame over there because the header's hit because of this LS engine over here. The 56 Chev pickup of Tim's, he's not in a panic and we haven't gotten to it, so that's all okay. And Tigers 36 is getting a hood on it today and the front bumper, and boom, we're going to adjust the brakes up and test drive it, and then there's waiting on a few parts. So that's what's going on. So remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. We appreciate all you viewers. Please check us out there on Instagram, Rick's/OldTimeGarage. You can also hook on to us at our website, oldtimegarage.ca, and you will see some great stuff. Okay guys, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time, and we'll see you next time.